Federal judge has handed another setback to the state's controversial voter ID law. Joining us this morning to talk about it, Lana Rocha from the Texas Tribune. Good morning. Thanks for being with us.
Good morning.
So what was the ruling and what does it mean for the law at this point?
Basically, this is the second time this federal judge has reviewed the law. It was bounced up to appeals court. They tossed it back down to her to take another look, and she reached the same conclusion that the state didn't meet its burden of proof in saying that lawmakers didn't knowingly pass the strictest voter ID law in the nation without targeting minority voters.
And the argument is that the restrictions they put on unfairly targeted minorities compared to other people and try to keep them from voting.
Right, because of the kind of restricted list on the number of valid IDs that you can show in order to vote.
Mm-hmm. So the other kind of big issue going on here in Texas is this debate over the sanctuary cities here. Right. The governor obviously has his position. Our sheriff here in Travis County has hers. The bill on this has made it out of a committee vote in the State House. What does that mean and where do we go next?
Well, the Senate had passed its version last month, I believe, and just this week it passed out of a House committee where it was kind of a scaled down version. The similarities between the two, the House version still subjects sheriffs, constables, police chiefs to a Class A misdemeanor if they fail to cooperate with immigration officials. It also would apply to college campuses. The big difference is that in the Senate bill, peace officers could question you on your immigration status if they're just detaining you, whereas the House version says you need to be arrested in order for them to ask that.
House version's a bit softer, we could say.
A bit softer. Of course, it'll come to the full House, 150-member body, in the next week or two, where it'll likely be further amended, and then the two sides will have to hash out their versions before sending it to the governor, but it's one of his emergency items, so the likelihood of that happening is good.
I was going to ask you, I don't expect you to have a crystal ball, but based on what you guys have reported, do we think that this is going to make it?
You know, this is the furthest it's made it. I share an office with our immigration reporter, Julian Aguilar, and he was kind of recounting 2011 and past sessions when this has come up. And this is, you know, relatively, even though we only have like a month and change, maybe 2 months left in session, there's still plenty of time to get this through.
So speaking of the legislature, you guys did a very interesting thing where you kind of tallied up the lawmakers that have missed the most votes, which I think resonates with people because it's kind of like, hey, we're paying you to be there.
Right.
If I just didn't show up for work, I would lose my job. What did you guys found from that?
Well, the top three offenders, if you will, actually the top one is Representative Donna Dukes, our Democratic representative here in Austin. So the House has voted on 46 bills, and she has been present for 5 of those votes, or at least tallied 5 of those votes.
She has had her issues, you know, away from there, but what does she have to say about this? Did she offer any sort of defense? Or?
Sure. Well, she says on budget night, as a member of the Appropriations Committee, so key in drafting that budget out of committee, she was there. She voted, I think, on 60 or 50 of the 66 votes that night. And so that was really her key part. But, you know, even constituents on Twitter upon our story posting say, hey, Representative Dukes, we need you now more than ever. It doesn't help that her seat in the House is right in front of the press table. So her absence is easy to note.
It's very noticeable. You mark it down every time I go. Lana Roach from the Texas Tribune, thank you so much.
Thank you.